Welcome friends in lecture 8, lesson 10, light reflection and refraction. Now in this particular chapter, as up till now topic we have started with refraction. Today we are going to see the images formed by mirror, that is images formed by the lenses. Before that we have seen with mirrors. The concepts are almost same, but here the two mediums is supposed to be taken into consideration. Now first of all we will start with an convex lens. Images formed by the convex lens. There are 6 images which are shown made by the convex lens. First of all, you need to understand how to draw a diagram. Draw a straight line in your notebooks with a line with lines which are given, right? Make it at the center at point 0, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. On the same way 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Here you put f1, f2 on the first 3 centimeters, and the same way c1 and c2 as the 6 centimeters on either side. Wherever you put f1, you put f2 on the same side. Wherever you put f2, put the c2 also on the same side. Now when all the rays which are coming, first image we will start with, when all the rays which are coming parallel to the principal focus. Okay, now I forgot out for making a lens also. When you put a straight line perpendicular, 3 lines above and 3 lines below. From the center of curvature, take a rounder and make a arc from the last point to the last point of the 3 lines which are above and below. You will see a convex lens is already formed. The same way, pick up the rounder, put it at the center of curvature and make a round on the other side also. So you will have your proper lens, and the images which will be formed will be exactly correct also. So you will not have to manipulate and make the images, and do not have to make lines cross out so that the images look very worse. Fine, it will be exactly looking very correct if you take 3 and 6 as the ratio. Keep it that way, because 5 taking will be very large and coming out of the book, which will be not be proper for you. Fine, so I hope so understand how to draw. So first draw lines which are coming parallel to the principal axis, and you will see all of them getting converged to a certain point, and this particular point is nothing but focal point. So all the lines you are supposed to draw at the focal point. Now from as the object is kept at infinity, you see on the another box, you are able to see the image formed is at focal point, and the type of an image and the nature of that is size of an image and nature of the image. The size of the image is a point size that is highly diminished, and it is real and inverted. The same way, if you take the second, draw in the same manner. Don't make it a different one. Draw lines, because in exam also if you will go and draw, you will have the same type of images and you will be assured that what I have made is right. Draw a line, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, f1, c1, f2, c2. Make it sure, right? Now place an object on f1 and c1 side beyond c. Now object is there. The line, make it straight, that is passing through a line itself only and pass through a focal length. Straight line, perpendicular line that touches the perpendicular line and passes through the focus. The second line passes through the pole, that is a line which is drawn, and principal axis, the center point is known as an pole. So passing from pole, both of them gets cut each other, both the lines gets cross each other, and this crossing of both the lines make a image, that is a dash and b dash. So you are able to see a dash and b dash as an image, right? So focal length is taken, that is f. The length of an image is v and length of an object is u. In the same way, we have as in the diagram also that is there and kept. Fine. So if the object is kept beyond c, then the image will be obtained between c and f on the other side, that is between focal length and center of curvature. That is, if the object is kept beyond c1, then the image will be obtained between f2 and c2. Fine. Position will be at either side, f1, c1, you just take it for consideration. If you take an object as f1 and c1, right, then the image will be at f2 and between f2 and c2. The image size will be diminished. I would say the image size is at diminished, right, and real and inverted. I would not say it will be very small, but it will be diminished, yes. Now when it will be kept at center of curvature, if you see, and on the third image, the object which is kept at center of curvature, draw a straight line, passes through a focus. The same way, passing from the pole, you will say the image formed will be exactly at center of curvature. So object center of curvature on one side, image center of curvature on the other side. The object size, that is size of an object and image, will be same, right? Image and object will be same, and also it will be real and inverted, that will remain as same except one. Now the same way, if you take the fourth image, in the fourth image you will see it will be beyond, that is between 2f and f. Now as you are seeing that object was at infinity, the image was at focus. Now as the object is moving towards the C and beyond C, the image is passing from f to between f and C and going at C and beyond C. So as the object is moving towards the lens, the image is going away from the lens in the same manner, right? It is beyond C, so it is at f. When it comes to C, it comes to C here, image also, and when it is coming between C and f, it is going beyond C. Now in the third case you are seeing, fourth case sorry, you are seeing that the image is started getting magnified. The same manner you are supposed to draw between f and 2f, object passing straight, and from the lens it is bending towards the focus, passing from the pole, and you will see the image formed beyond C and it is magnified, real and inverted. Now here the changes starts when the object is kept as focus. When it is kept as focus, the line which is going here and passes through another focus, and from the pole you see the lines are turning parallel. Here when the lines are turning parallel, the image is hardly obtained because it is magnified first of all, and it is magnified, and I would say highly magnified, but the object image is hardly obtained because the point size thing has been magnified very high. So it turns real and inverted and highly magnified, and the object is image is obtained at infinity because the rays have turned parallel. In the last one, it is the whole thing changes. When it is between P and F, draw a straight line and passes through focus as the same and passing from the pole, but the image is formed by the dotted lines on the same side where the object is kept. When it is been taken as the same side where the object is kept, the image turns to be virtual, and in this case it is erect also. So virtual and erect. Now in all the cases of convex lens, this is the only case where the image is obtained is virtual and erect, fine, and on the same, that is on the same side of an object, fine. So I hope so you understood how the images are supposed to be formed in terms of convex lens.